Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious grilled tuna sandwich. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your preferred bread like sourdough or whole wheat. Make sure you have 1 can of tuna, thoroughly drained, which is typically around 5 ounces. Also, prepare your mayonnaise, finely chopped celery, and any seasonings such as salt and black pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's create the flavorful tuna salad filling. In a medium bowl, gently flake your drained tuna. Add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, or more if you prefer a creamier texture. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. This adds a wonderful crunch. Season the mixture with salt and black pepper to your personal taste. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed for the best flavor. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble and grill. Lightly spread butter on one side of each bread slice, ensuring full coverage for a perfect golden crust. Place 1 slice of bread, butter side down, onto your grilling surface. Spoon the tuna mixture evenly onto the unbuttered side of this slice. Top with the second bread slice, butter side up. Grill for approximately 3 minutes per side, or until both sides are beautifully golden brown and the sandwich is heated through. Your delicious grilled tuna sandwich is now complete. Carefully remove it from the grill. For a classic presentation and easier handling, slice the sandwich diagonally in half. Serve it immediately while it's warm and the cheese, if you added any, is perfectly melted. This sandwich pairs wonderfully with a crisp pickle, a side salad, or a bowl of soup. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.